Hi, my name's Richie and I want to give you a quick review of uAcademy's property development course. So I've been looking to get into property development for a while now and I've never really known where to start or where to look. So I went online and I came across uAcademy's online course. Now, it was one of the cheapest options I've seen out there, so I was a bit skeptical about what it had to offer and what kind of things it would give me in regards to services. However, I found it extremely informative and I found it very knowledgeable on the information that it gave me to start my journey. It helped me learn about the foundations of property development, the different approaches I can use. It helped me around financing options. It helped me around regulations and a lot more. So I would definitely recommend uAcademy to anybody who wants to start their journey on property development. This course will be great for you.